Hey, what is up people? My name is Kaustub. You are watching Technobuff channel, and in today's video I'm gonna unbox a mic for YouTube that I purchased yesterday from Flipkart, and I got a pretty good deal. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. But first, let's roll the intro. This is the mic that I've got from Flipkart, and the mic which I am currently using has some issues. I think this wire is bit loose. Sometimes what happens is there is a noise in the video. So this is a kind of secondary mic I would keep it as, and the mic that I'm will be using from here on will be Boya BY-M1. So let's quickly unbox this. Opening up the box, we first get this documentation, how to set up the mic and all. So this is the documentation, very important if you don't know how to set up the mic. Otherwise you can always check YouTube videos. The next thing we get inside the box is the pouch, and seller has given the mic inside the pouch itself. So it's a good quality pouch actually, and I'm pretty much happy with the packaging and all. It's not a used one, it's new mic only. Sometimes seller, it happens from online vendors that you get used products. It is not used, it was sealed pack. And I'll open up the pouch, and this is the mic that we get. And this is the mic which is highest rated in this category, that is under 1000 rupee category. This is highest rated on Flipkart as well as on Amazon. Depends on which seller you depends on from which seller you buy, but this is a pretty good quality mic. I have to check it out how good it is. So this is the microphone. I think this wire is quite long. I think it is around 2 meters maybe, but we will have to check it out how long it is. And I think it's quite useful because if you are far away from the camera and you want to be audible in the video, then this is must. And I will just unwind this. Okay. Oh my god, this is quite big. Yeah. Okay, I'll just keep it to the side. And what else do we get in the box? Actually, what happened is I was planning to buy this microphone from offline market. I inquired of this is priced at around 1100 rupees in the offline market. And what happened is I told them that online it is very cheap, like around 400 rupees price cap is there. So they told me that they will provide the same mic, but they won't give you any warranty card. So good that I didn't listen to them, and I decided to go with the online mic only. And guess what, I got a warranty card. What else do we have in the box? We have the cushioning for mic and some setup things only. I will quickly set up. Currently I am using this mic. I will switch on to the new mic that I've got, that is Boya BY-M1, and you be the judge and decide how is the audio quality in the video. So guys, this is the audio quality that you are listening without any microphone attached to my collar. And let's quickly attach the microphone and see how is the quality. And this is the audio quality with the Boya BY-M1 attached to my collar. And you be the judge and let me know how is the sound quality. Is it improved or is it the same quality that you were hearing from my past videos. So that's pretty much it in this video guys. I hope this video was informative. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel because it is free. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, it's goodbye from Technobuff. Take care.